My video tutorial will provide you with help to remove the ransomware called SaveLock. SaveLock is a new ransomware, and the video, however, is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting the ransomware. In the video, I will just show you the negative impact of the ransomware on the files and will give you some recommendations on how to possibly recover your files. Well, as you can clearly see, before the ransomware attack, you are able to open the files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. But regretfully, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities, this SaveLock ransomware may be very easily injected into the system. And then very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware encrypts files and damages them, and it is impossible to use the data. The ransomware then appends a special extension additionally to the file names. So these are the consequences of the ransomware attack. The ransomware appends this savelock52 extension to the file names. It also reveals a special ransom note titled as How to Back Files, but I can't open it for some reasons through Google Chrome browser. I urge you not to pay the ransom, because the ransomware just wants you to pay the ransom, but you should not do that. Don't waste your money, don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Through this official site, download the software, install it, and click on Start Scan button. Most likely the software will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. So then the scanning will begin, and while this scanning is taking place, please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. So this feature helps to remove the ransomware. It also helps to protect your files, but it does not decrypt the files, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt these files. Take your time, wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished by Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and then you will see the report. Based on the report, some threats can be removed manually, but my recommendation is that you consider upgrading to Premium. This way your data will be always protected. And speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more facts about this ransomware, and it will give you some recommendations on how to possibly recover your files.